are verbs. A verb is a word that describes an action, state, or occurrence. In simple terms, verbs tell us what the subject of a sentence is doing: action, being, state, or experiencing, occurrence. They are the heart of every sentence, making communication possible. Types of verbs. 1. Action verbs. These describe physical or mental actions. Example: run, eat, think, create, smile. Sentence: she runs every morning. 2. Linking verbs. These connect the subject to more information about the subject. Example: is, seem, appear, become. Sentence: he is a doctor. 3. Helping verbs, auxiliary verbs. These assist the main verb to form tenses, moods, or voices. Example: has, will, can, should. Sentence: they will arrive soon. 4. Modal verbs, a special type of helping verb used to express ability, possibility, permission, or obligation. Example: can, could, might, must, should. Sentence: you must study for the exam. 5. Stative verbs. These describe states, feelings, or conditions, not usually actions. Example: love, know, need, seem, belong. Sentence: she knows the answer. 100 examples of verbs with sentences. Action verbs. 1. Run, I run 5 miles every day. 2. Eat, she eats healthy food. 3. Write, he writes in his journal. 4. Jump, they jump over the fence. 5. Sing, we sing at the karaoke bar. Linking verbs. 1. Is, she is happy. 2. Seem, he seems tired. 3. Appear. The problem appears complicated. 4. Become. He became a teacher. 5. Feel, this chair feels comfortable. Helping verbs. 11. Have I seen that movie? 12. Will, she will call you tomorrow? 13. He can swim very well. 14. Should take a break. 15. She was working late. Modal verbs. 16. You must finish your homework. 17. Could solve the puzzle easily. 18. It might rain today. 19. She would travel if she had time. 20. You may borrow my book. Stative verbs. 21. No, I know her from school. 22. They love Italian food. 23. She needs some rest. 24. This book belongs to me. 25. Understand. Do you understand the question? Additional examples by context. Daily life. 26. Wake. I wake up at 7 a.m. 27. Cook. He cooks delicious meals. 28. Work. She works in an office. 29. Study, they study every night. 30. Play, the kids play in the park. Travel. 31. Fly, we fly to Paris next week. 32. Drive. He drives a sports car. 33. Pack. She packs her suitcase. 34. Explore, they explore new cities. 35. Stay. We stay at a nice hotel. Sports. 36. Swim. She swims in the ocean. 37. Kick, he kicks the ball hard. 38. Score, they score a goal. 39. Train. We train every day. 40. Compete. They compete in the championship. Emotions. 41. Feel, I feel excited. 42. Worry. She worries about her exams. 43. Laugh. They laugh at the joke. 44. Cry. He cries during sad movies. 45. Appreciate, we appreciate your help. 46. Type. She types on her laptop. 47. Call. He calls his friend. 48. Browse, they browse the internet. 49. Download, she downloads a new app. 50. Charge, he charges his phone. Nature, 51. Technology, 52. Grow plants grow in the sun. 53. Bloom flowers bloom in spring. 54. Flow. The river flows gently. 55. Shine, the sun shines brightly. 56. Freeze, water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. Teaching, learning. 56. Teach, he teaches math. 57. Learn. She learns quickly. 58. Explain. They explain the rules. 59. Memorize, I memorize vocabulary. 60. Practice, you practice every day. Shopping. 61. Buy. She buys groceries. 62. Sell. He sells furniture. 63. Pay. They pay for their tickets. 64. Choose, I choose a red dress. 65. Return. She returns the book. Health. 66. Exercise. He exercises regularly. 67. Rest. She rests after work. 68. Recover. He recovers from his illness. 69. Treat, doctors treat their patients. 70. Sleep. She sleeps for 8 hours. Relationships. 71. Meet, I meet new people. 72. Talk. We talk every day. 73. Argue? They argue sometimes. 74. Support. He supports his friend. 75. Share. She shares her ideas. Hobbies. 76. Paint. He paints landscapes. 77. Dance. They dance at the party. 78. Read. She reads novels. 79. Build, he builds model airplanes. 80. Watch. We watch movies together. Miscellaneous. 81. Help. She helps her neighbor. 82. Borrow. He borrows a pen. 83. Fix, they fix broken machines. 84. Plan. We plan our vacation. 85. Carry, he carries a heavy bag. Advanced examples. 86. Analyze. She analyzes the data. 87. Design. He designs websites. 88. Predict, they predict the results. 89. Recommend. She recommends a good book. 90. Manage. He manages his time well. Future actions. 91. Achieve. She achieves her goals. 92. Start. We start a new project. 93. Finish. He finishes his homework. 94. Save. She saves money for a trip. 95. Change, they change their schedule. Common verbs in all contexts. 96. Go, I go to school. 97. Come. She comes to the party. 98. See, they see the sunset. 99. Here he